Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is your device is missing important security and quality fixes, and the error code is 0x80070002. So if you are receiving this error code while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu and then click on Settings. Now click on Update and Security. Now click on Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooter. Now here you can see Windows Update. Click on Windows Update and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer. So after the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and reset Windows Update components. For this, copy this link. This link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see, scroll down here, you can see the link to download Windows Update Reset script for computers running Windows 10. So click on it. Now once you click on it, it will download a zip file. So go to the download location. So click on it, then click on show in folder. Now make a right click on the zip file and then extract the file. So you can click on extract to, and now open this folder. Then open this wereset.bat. So make a right click over here on this file and then click on run as administrator. Then click on yes to allow. Now you will see this black screen, and very soon it will tell you to press any key on the keyboard. So now press any key on the keyboard to continue. And first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will restart all the Windows Update services. So this process will take some time. So it may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. So let the process complete. Now over here you can see it's restarting all the services. And at the end it will tell you press any key to continue. So press any key on the keyboard and this will go ahead and close this black screen. And now you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So open command prompt. So type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command, paste it over here and hit the enter key. Now once this is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands. So for this, again open command prompt, type in cmd and make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator and then click on yes to allow, and then run this command and hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, you have to go ahead and run the second command. So once this scan is 100% complete, copy this command and then you have to paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now this process will take some time. So once the scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. The next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant to update your Windows 10. So copy this link. This link is also provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 10 Update Assistant. Click on Update Now. Then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 10 Update Assistant and this will check for update. And if there is any pending update, it will let you know. And you will see the install option over here. So it's checking my computer for the update, and in my case it's already up to date. In your case, you will see the install option. After the installation, you can go ahead and check your Windows should be up to date. Now still you are facing the problem. On the same website, scroll down over here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file, and then you will see this screen. So click on accept and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Once the download is 100% complete, once the download is complete, you will see this screen. So before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So you can click on install, and after the installation you can log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.